Hey everyone, welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the place where we help you spot the fakes, dodge the scams, and make smarter online choices. In today's video, we're reviewing the Clinclii Glucose Monitor, a product that's been floating around online ads and claiming to be a game changer for diabetes management. Is it worth your money? Or is it just another flashy scam? Let's break it down. The Clinclii Glucose Monitor claims to offer fast, accurate, and pain-free blood sugar testing. It promotes itself as compact, easy to use, and suitable for all age groups, especially seniors. Some packages advertise Bluetooth syncing, memory storage for readings, and instant results. All this sometimes for a limited-time discounted price. Sounds too good? Let's look beyond the marketing. First off, the official website lacks transparency. There's no clear manufacturer information, no address, and the contact details are either vague or unresponsive. The domain is recently registered, and reviews on trusted third-party platforms like Trustpilot are either non-existent or suspiciously positive. We also noticed that the same product images are being used by multiple knockoff sites, sometimes under different brand names. Several users online reported that after ordering, the delivery took weeks. The device came without a user manual, and in some cases, it didn't function at all. One customer mentioned the readings were wildly inaccurate compared to their trusted monitor. Another said it drained batteries quickly and didn't sync with any app despite claims. So is the Clinclii Glucose Monitor worth it? Based on our research, we say waste of money. While it may look sleek, the lack of verified reviews, shady website info, and poor user feedback raises a lot of red flags. If you're serious about your health, stick to FDA-approved brands available at trusted retailers, or consult your doctor for recommended options. Thanks for watching this episode of Online Scam Advisor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never fall for shady products again. Got scammed or found a suspicious product? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Stay alert, stay smart, and always verify before you buy. Thank you.